God. Yeah, in today's video I'll be showing you the simple strategies which I apply on my page and it got monetized in 2 months. Let's go straight to it. Number one, immediately I noticed I needed to monetize my page. One thing I started doing was posting reels one after the other. I was posting reels consistently. I was posting reels back to back. Note, I was not just posting reels, I was posting original content, my videos. I was not taking videos from others people to post. The major videos I post during this period was my original content. Secondly, I was going live. At least I go live twice a week on my Facebook page. This has helped me so much. One thing with posting reels consistently was that you will never know the one that will go viral. And mind you, when you are posting video is copyright, the videos will not go viral. This is one thing I do. This is the one strategy I make sure I focus very well when posting reels. After posting my reels, I go back to the videos and make sure that I did not copyright. There was no copyright on my videos. I make sure the videos are original. So one particular video that got me 2.9 million views got my Facebook monetized. Just one video. Only this video gave me everything I needed in less than 4 days. So within these 2 months, I was struggling to get my views, but I never give up. I keep on posting reels, keep on posting original content. Only this content gave me more than 200 and something minutes view. Remember, Facebook is looking for just 60 minutes view, but this particular video in 4 days it gave me 240 minutes view. How did I achieve it? I achieved it by posting consistently. I think I was not posting consistently. I was just posting once in a while. Anytime I feel like, I won't have been here sharing my successful testimony with you today. If you want your page to be monetized quick and fast, keep posting reels back to back. And secondly, make sure you go live. Go live. This will make your page to be monetized in few times. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video. It will be helpful for your friends and family. And thanks for watching my video.